again. You know that I'm home to stay. It's a miracle, a true blue spectacle, a miracle come true. We're together, baby, I was going crazy till the miracle came through. No lover man had the Coca-Cola. Music and fashion were always the fashion, but it's daybreak. If you wanna believe it can be daybreak, there ain't no time to grieve, said it's daybreak. If you're lonely, believe and then it's shine, shine, shine. Now for all you Joes, here goes my American handstand. Because I'm on the American bandstand. When we dance real slow, I'll show all the guys in the grandstand that I like my girl, but I love American bandstand. America got a dream they've come to share. They're coming to America. They're coming to America. They're coming to America. They're coming to America. They're coming to America today. We're gonna make our own lightning. Hey, she got the way to move me, Sherry.
She got the way to move me.
Sherry, baby.
She got the way to move me.
All right. Play it now, play it now, play it now, my baby. Crackling rosy, make me smile. Girl, if it lasts for an hour, well, that's alright, 'cause we've got all to no one there, and no one heard at all, not even the chair. Hey, money talks, but it can't sing and dance and it can't walk. As long as I can have you here with me, I'd much rather be forever in blue jeans, babe.
Whenever I see your smiling face, I have to smile myself, because I love you, yes I do. When you give me that pretty little pout, it turns me inside out. There's something about you, baby, ooh, I don't know. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. We can feel this way. Tell me how much longer it can grow stronger every day. Oh, how much longer? I guess I'll have to go now. Oh, down to Mexico. Never really been, but I sure like to go. Whoa, Mexico. I guess I'll have to go now.
It's getting to the point where I'm no fun anymore. I'm sorry. Sometimes it hurts so badly I must cry out loud. I am lonely. I am yours. You are mine. You are what you are. You make it hard. Remember what we said and done. Tearing yourself away from me, now you are free and I am fine. This does not mean I don't love you, I do, and that's forever. Something inside is telling me that I've got your secret. Are you still listening? Fear is the lock and laughter the key to your heart.
Tell us about it, Dano.
Can I tell you like it is? Or won't you listen to me, baby?